Hey, what's up, guys? It's like 6 a.m. and we were working on the D21. As you can see, my front grille is off. It's over here in the corner. And we're working on changing out this bracket for the hood latch. This is the bracket right here. So basically what's been happening is that my hood will not close all the way. I'll be driving on the freeway and my hood would be bobbing up and down. And I was like, dude, what the heck is going on? So my latch, I pull it and the hood wouldn't open all the way. I had to put like a screwdriver or something in like the latch handle and then play with this to get my hood to open. And upon further inspection, everything seemed fine. Everything looked like it was good. Then I realized this piece right there is broken off of the latch. It's just the top part. I don't know if rust got to it or what. I can't get a good view. But anyway, that piece is broken, so we're going ahead and replacing it. It's just these two bolts here. Then there's a bolt on the bottom that you gotta get off. Let's scoot this back a little bit. All right. All right, that came out nice and easy. So now all we gotta do is just move the whole mechanism out the way. This is the broken piece of bracket. See? That's where it broke off at. All right, this is it. Now we just swap them out. Get all the debris on my front. I forgot what the condenser or whatever the hell this is. I forgot what the hell this thing is called. Oh god. Get all of that off there. I'm gonna have to get a scraper or something. Dude, I'm having the biggest brain fart. I can't think of, I forgot the name of it. What am I doing? This is for the AC. This is the, oh my gosh. What the fuck is this called again, guys? See, it's for the AC. We cleaned up this area a little bit. And you know what I'm noticing? There's not much rust on the truck here. So I'm very happy with that. See, there's not really too much signs of rust. It's crazy. Alright guys, so I just lined up the bottom bolt and put it in a little bit. I put in this one a little bit. Now I'm gonna put the top bolt in. Just tighten everything back up. bracket looks like. You can see it's sitting on there well. Got the bolt in the bottom end. There's a little bit of rust on this thing, but that's all right. I live in the desert, so there's our bottom bolt. And yeah, so now we just gotta put the hood latch bolt in. You see that one right there? So I got the other one on the left and the right end. So I just gotta put that one in the middle in, and then that's it. We're good to go. Guys, look at what I'm using to tighten this bolt. That's funny, right? I just don't feel like getting my hand all the way in there. All right, guys, so now we're gonna put our grill back on. So, all right, guys, so for these bumper clips, you wanna push them in kind of like where they're like a star. See how they're kind of not square? It's like a star, and this thing is almost flush with the back. You just wanna put force and twist this like that. I don't know if you saw that, but that clips in. And I got these other ones in too. That's how you get them in. Don't leave them in here and then try to push in. It's not gonna work. You have to take them out. So, pro tip. All right, guys, so now we're just pressing our bumper tabs in. I got these two in. So this one here, you just press it in. This one here. Okay, this one here. Oh, this piece is caught. There we go. Okay. That one went in. And then we got our last one right here. Alright. And your bumper should be flush afterwards. So, sorry for my focusing on the camera. All right, nice and shut. Now I'm gonna pop it. See if it opens. All right, there we have it. Oh, it didn't shut. There it goes. Okay, cool.